Welcome to North Texas Hunting and Outdoor Adventures. My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you pictures from the game cam. As you can see right here, we got some turkeys. And now here's some pictures of some deer. There's a few bucks in there, but seemed like I've had some more does coming out here in January. The photos that I deleted were raccoons, squirrels, and dove, coyotes. They also appear periodically in front of this camera, but there are lots of doe, lots of wildlife, and also further at the end of this video I'm going to show you what I love hunting, and it's the hogs. That's coming up here shortly. If you like what you've seen so far, great time right now to give a thumbs up. Here's the first hog photo. This is January 16th. It's 7:30 in the morning. I wish I'd have been out there. This would have been a dead hog. In a few seconds you'll see, here he is. This was the following day on January 17, also 7 in the morning. Now this is a big hog. I wish I'd have been out there. That's a lot of bacon, folks. That is a big pig right there. Not as big as that big hogzilla that I've been trying to hunt down for several months now, but this hog here, there's a good chance that he's the next one. Here's a whole bunch of small ones. These are good eaters right here. There's that big one again. There's plenty of hogs out there. I love hunting these hogs. Just plenty of them, and I don't think that we'll ever fix this problem. They're a nuisance. They're the reason why they go in there, and when it rains it collects water, just because of these hogs. They're a nuisance. But I do love hunting these hogs. If you're new to this channel, I would love to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell, and we'd love you to check out these other videos. Out there on the top right, you'll see my personal icon. Click on that. Look at this, making bacon. I'll see you on the next video, guys. All right.